Medicinal and healing, vibrant herbs and spices bleeding. So opulent the odours that I taste. Salivating, wish I'd waited. Now I'm all intoxicated. I really should have put that peg in
place. For if I had the harissa, it wouldn't have seduced my slightly reddened, sober, dormant nose. But now it's dancing across the soup with coriander and lemon. I'm a hostage, yes, a hostage, and it knows the flavors my digestive tract it groans. I'm a hostage, just a hostage. Huzzah! I'm a hostage to those delectable components and they know.
So, here comes the big reveal. I've told you that alchemy works. Here is my evidence. Wow! 4 fruit muffins. Now, they taste sweet, they taste flowery, and they taste Moorish. They even have sugar in. Now, where did that come from? How did that happen?